Yesterday, I had discussed about rational numbers. Discussed about rational numbers. You know that the numbers of the form P by Q, where P and Q are integers. Rational number. Write this definition because rational number is very important topic. Rational number. The numbers of the form P by Q the numbers of the form P by Q where P and Q are integers and where P and Q are integers and Q is not equal to 0 are known as rational numbers. Yesterday I had written this definition. So if you do not know, then you can write this definition. The numbers of the form P by Q, where P and Q are integers. Integers, as you know, integers, all natural numbers, 0, and all positive numbers are integers. So P and Q are integers and Q is not equal to 0. Divisor is not equal to 0 are known as rational number. This is a definition of rational number and irrational number. Rational number is irrational number. A number which can neither be expressed irrational number or परिमेय संख्या. Irrational number, परिमेय संख्या और परिमेय संख्या. और परिमेय संख्या. Irrational number, a number which can neither be expressed as a terminating decimal or nor as a repeating decimal. Terminating decimal means if the decimal expression of P by Q terminates or comes to an end is known as terminating decimal. As for example, 1 by 4 is equal to 0.25. Here the decimal expression of P by Q, 1 by 4, comes to an end. So 1 by 4 is a rational number. Terminating decimal and non-terminating decimal. An example of non-terminating decimal or repeating decimal is 0.333. So irrational number, a number which can neither be expressed as a rational number, which can neither be expressed as a terminating decimal and nor as a repeating decimal, called an irrational number. I write this definition. You can also, I hope that you will write this definition. A number which can neither be expressed as a terminating decimal, nor as a repeating decimal, is called an irrational number. Examples of irrational numbers are infinite, as for example √2, √3, √5, √6. All these numbers are irrational numbers. A number which can neither be expressed as a terminating decimal. Terminating decimals means decimal expression of p by q terminates. In Hindi, terminating decimal we call it shant dasamalam. So a number which can neither be expressed as a terminating decimal nor as a repeating decimal, then this expression is called irrational numbers. Irrational number of primary sanction, repeating decimal and decimal. So rational number, the numbers of the form p by q, where p and q are integers and q is not equal to 0, are known as rational numbers. 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4, 1 by 5, 1 by 6. All are rational numbers. Examples of rational numbers. Irrational number, a number which can neither be expressed as a terminating decimal nor as a repeating decimal, are known as irrational numbers. Now I had solved one problem, 1 and 2, problem of exercise 1.1 in the first class of math yesterday. So I am going to solve you question number 3 of exercise 1.1. Question number 3. In your NCERT book, question number 3 is given. Find 5 rational numbers between. In question number 3, find 5 rational numbers. Find 5 rational numbers. 5 rational numbers. Find 5 rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. If you have to find the rational numbers between given two numbers, 3 by 5 and 4 by 5, here required rational number is given 5. So 5 plus 1 solution. So 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. If you are given that find 4 rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 4 by 5, then you can write 4 plus 1 barabar 5. But in this problem, we have to find the 5 rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. So you can write 5 plus 1 barabar 6. Then so 3 by 5 is equal to, we can write 3 by 5 is equal to 3 into 6. 3 into 6 by 5 into 6 is equal to 18 by 30. And and 4 by 5 is equal to 4 into 6 by 5 into 6 is equal to 24 by 5 into 6. 5 into 6 is equal to 30. Here, rational numbers between 18 and 24. Positive integers between 18 and 4 are numbers, the numbers between 18 and 24. 18 and 24 are 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. 5 numbers. The numbers between 18 and 24 are 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, and so thus required 5 rational numbers. Required 5 rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 4 by 5 is equal to 19 by 30, 20 by 30, 21 by 30, 22 by 30, and 23 by 30. Hence, you can find the so many rational numbers between given two numbers, 19 by 30, and this process is very easy and also important. So you can solve by this process, very easy process, and in this way you can find any rational numbers between given two numbers. Question number 3. Now I am going to explain you about question number 4. State number 4 is given. State whether the following statements are true और फॉल्स. गिव रीजन्स फॉर योर आंसर. यहाँ पर कुछ स्टेटमेंट दिए हुए हैं और तुम्हें यह पता लगाना है कि ये स्टेटमेंट सही है अथवा गलत, और इसके लिए तुम्हें रीजन देना है. स्टेट वेदर द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट्स और ट्रू और फॉल्स. गिव रीजन्स. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. Question number 4. Question number 4. State whether the following state whether the following statements are true or false. Are true or false? Give reasons. Give reasons. First statement is every natural number. First statement, every natural number is a whole number. You are to ask that give reasons about this statement. The statement is every natural number is a whole number. You know that whole number is a collection of natural numbers. So this statement is true. Answer: true. The reason is that all natural numbers all natural numbers all natural numbers all natural numbers are whole true, because all natural numbers are family of whole numbers. So the given statement is true, because we know that every natural number is a member of whole number. So the given statement is true. Second statement is given that second statement is given every integer. Second statement, every integer is a whole number. Every integer is a whole number. What will be this reason? Every integer is a whole number. Is this statement true or false? To find this reason, you know that integer definition. Integer, we know that every integer -3. This statement is false. यहाँ पर आंसर पे देंगे false. Reason -3 is an integer but not a whole number. False. -3 is an integer. All positive, negative, and 0 are the members of whole numbers. So -3 is an integer but not a whole number. False this statement. -3 is an integer but not a whole number. So this statement is false. You are to ask that every integer is a whole number. No, this statement is false, because -3 is an integer but not a whole number. Statement 3 is given. Every rational number is a whole number. Every rational number is a whole number. You are to ask that this statement is true or false. Then you can give the answer of this statement, that 3 by 5 is a rational number but not a whole number. 3 by 5 is a fraction, so 3 by 5 is not a whole number. Reason: 3 by 5 is a rational number. But not a whole number. Whole number means all natural numbers and 0. All natural numbers and 0 are members of whole number. But 3 by 5 is a fraction. 3 by 5 is a rational number. So it is not a whole number. Hence, this statement is false. This statement is false. Now, so this exercise has been completed. because there are only 4 problems in this exercise. Next class, I shall tell you about exercise 1.2 exercise. I shall start in next class. Exercise 1.2. 1.1 खत्म